Oh man, it's in Sydney. Oh, that's not going to stop me. Let's go hunt for an iPhone 12. It's going to be a long day. I need some drugs. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, double espresso demolished. If it's not roasted in Melbourne, it's fake coffee. Any iPhone in here? I do apologise for the footage. I'm using an Android phone, and that's the worst thing about not having an iPhone. I have to suffer the pain of using an Android phone. And I just want to be taken, please, God, Allah, Buddha, Jesus, Valhalla, take me now. Right here, we're going for a walk at Victoria University. And it's iPhone day, iPhone launch day. Let's see if we can go find an iPhone, get one, Corona style, 2020, and oh God, the side of my head's starting to hurt. I'm getting lethargic. I don't know what's going on. Oh, is that what it is? No, that's just LTE. Maybe it's the sun. Who knows? Anyway, let's go find an iPhone. So I'm still on the hunt for an iPhone. Still in Victoria University. There you go, that building here. What the? Hey, snakes. Well, I guess they would be, yeah. Believe me, those things can kill you. I can tell you now, those snakes. And you get them free at Australia universities. That's awesome. So anyway, I think there may be a temporary, can you see in the distance there? I think that's a temporary Apple store because everything's closed in Melbourne. Maybe that's a temporary Apple store. Let's go have a look. All right, this is cool. I think Apple have made a temporary site for the iPhone launch day here. Because you know, Melbourne, it's a public holiday. The AFL Grand Final has gone to Queensland. It's their biggest event in their history of Queensland, apart from Ash and Nora moving there. But yeah, we still get a public holiday. Look, what's going on there? There's a queue there. Yeah, a temporary store for getting your iPhone. This is amazing. Let's go have a look. So I've just been there and found out it's not an Apple store. It's not a temporary Apple store. It's a frigging Corona test centre. Corona test centre. Can you believe it? I'm getting out of here, man. I don't want no Corona. Hey, Coco. Oh, so that was really depressing. I was hoping that was a temporary Apple store, and yeah, very depressing. So I can't get my iPhone today. Everything's closed in Melbourne. You know, deliveries, public holiday. Oh, I'm so depressed. So, you know what I've got to do? I just got to go around and warn people that you do not get the charger in the iPhone box, and you're going to be disappointed. You're going to get home, you got this USB thing, and then you can't plug anything in. You're just going to be, what? How am I supposed to charge it? I'm so upset that, you know, they don't have an iPhone. I'm going to think I'm going to riot and, you know, break the law today. I feel like it. That's what happens when you're upset and you don't get what you want. I mean, us humans are such bludgeon pussies. I mean, have a look at these bees. They're not on Corona strike. They're flying around doing their job. They're open. Why aren't we open? What's going on? Okay, so that was a big fail. Now, how do I get this footage off this friggin' Android? Where's the airdrop? Who invented this Android stuff? I'm sick of this.